escaping from every prison and tried
Have they
to
changed something here now? We're not on the right track.
why I have each cage with unimaginable power coming directly from my method generator, which powers the entire complex and will keep them in perpetual suspension.
Going on the right side, moving forward.
Are they going to open back up?
Oh, Jesus.
And presto, the door's open for you. I now present to you Tannelia Travon's private office.
Welcome to Mr. Travon's private office. This is the first stop on your VIP tour of his portrait. On your way up to see the guardians of the galaxy. You feel free to look around at what Mr. Travon has on display. But please do not touch. He is watching. Remember and wave at the camera. Hurry, Sarah.
Alright, let's go around.
Everything is so elaborate.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office.
I know!
Where I carefully
scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy, and after that, let's view this guy.
Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape.
Ouch! Ow! That was not part of the plan. What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy, the smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Oh. I'm going to take this. Now move it.
Why is there a Yeti?
Raise your hands for clearance. Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
My dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
The rocket unplugs you and starts things rock. Now show me those hands, people. You got clearance. Let's roll. Okay. Yes! Sunrise here. Thanks, everybody. See ya.
Why are you going to do that? I really shut it. It did nothing.